We'll guide you through how to recover deleted WhatsApp chats or messages. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on WhatsApp and you want to try recovering deleted WhatsApp messages or chats. I'm going to guide you through this step by step and hopefully you'll be able to go and get them back. So let's go and get started. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go and delete a chat. For example, this here, I'll swipe on it from right to left, press more, then I'll go and press delete chat. And if I go and open up this conversation here as well, you can go and see a message was deleted and I want to see if I can go and get that back. So we'll guide you through how this can be done. So what you want to do is just go and look at this here, as I'll show you that it's going to be different when we come back after going and recovering it. What you need to do is you need to head to the bottom right and you need to go and press settings like so. Then you need to go down and you need to go and find the option for chats just here. In chats, you then need to go to chat backup just here. Now, what you can see here is that my backup was last done at 2:34. It's important to note the backup needs to be done before it was deleted. So if the chat or message was deleted after it was done, then we can go and restore to that backup and it will still be there. However, if the backup was done after the chat or message was deleted, then it's not going to be there. So let's try doing it. I do an auto backup, so often it's going to be included. So what we need to do to go and get to this backup, you can see mine last was done at the top there. What we need to do is come out of WhatsApp, and then what you need to do is go and find WhatsApp. Here it is. We're going to tap and hold my finger on it like so and press remove app. Then I'll press delete app and go and delete it. Just before you delete it, as I said, everything that's happened after the backup is not going to be included. So consider you may go and lose some stuff there. That's fine with me, but you can go and save it if you wish, taking a screenshot or something like that. Then what you can do is come and return to the App Store and we need to come and find WhatsApp. So I'll go and type it in like so. Here it is. You then want to go and download it. When it goes and finishes, we can then go and open it up. As you can see, there it is. Open it up. Go and wait and we can press agree and continue. I've read these before. I'll allow notifications and now we can go and start the setup process. So I'll enter in my number. Now it will say retrieve and credentials. Now, during the setup process, you should get a pop-up about restoring from iCloud. So then I'll go and press restore and you can go and wait for this to go and complete. It shouldn't take long. It's now finishing up as you can see, and it will continue going and restoring as well. Then we can press next. We can allow access to my contact, go and wait for it to load. And now I can go and see it here. You'll go and see the chats are deleted are there and the messages that were deleted are there as well. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.